Hey ladies, and welcome to my channel. I am Tika, y'all, and in today's video I will be showing you guys Outre Zandra. So if this is a video that you can kick it with, then stay tuned for this video. Hi ladies, and welcome to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you guys this melted hairline unit by Outre, and this is the style Zandra. Now Zandra is actually a shorter unit. It's actually a bob. It's actually long on one side and it's actually short on the other side. Now once you get this unit, this lace I believe is like 2x5, and here is actually the color and lighting in case you guys want to actually see the real color. And right here I'm just showing you what this color looks like against my own skin tone. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit is priced at about $35.99, and then I think they like $2 more, so it's like $37.99 for this color. So I'm probably gonna have to speed this video up, you guys, so enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys after I'm done styling this wig and give you guys all of my thoughts and opinions, how I feel about this unit. So stay tuned at the end of the video. So what do you ladies think about Miss Zandra? I don't know why it sounds like the name has an attitude in it, but seriously, y'all, what do you guys think about this unit? Now, I'm going to give you guys my own opinions. Now, this is not one of my favorite units. I believe that this unit didn't have enough volume for me, and I felt like it was just way too flat. But if you guys want to, feel free to buy this unit. This unit actually come in some very cute colors, and this unit is also small, medium, and big head friendly. And I believe that this unit is very affordable, y'all. It's like under $40. Very affordable. Now, I do believe that this is a very cute style, but there was just this one little thing that I had with this unit, which was this hump that was on the unit, and I did not like it. So if lace wigs aren't your thing, I would suggest for you guys to check out my half wig video reviewing Outre NEESHA half wigs, y'all. I do have a review on that video, so if you guys are interested, check that video out. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you ladies in my next video.